услыха и послала
Lubricated lingo, I launch sporadically. I'm protected by the nuts and all rhyming, so I'm enhanced, so it has to be a black sperm team. I'm fucking the industry, ducking up publicity, making sure my problem simplicity. This rubbing to the fools who bring prehistoric styles. I intersect your past some past advance. One could easily take a chance and lose his to her life over the lunar mic is that important power to you. I rule with your career, make your family disown you, lick on you, then you fuck so tough like who's next? A dialect that I possess far beyond the best. But nevertheless, I'm lethal like a leak in some silicone breast. Comfy test, I got 3 birds, rest in peace.
Баллона, пигментобрызги на бетон, индастриал дит на лайне железобетонных, синие ветки нужны, сильные пальцы на хэбах райтеров годных, чинджитон никуда не дойти, да заливай, да, обводи, как велят рецепторы мозга, бетон, луитон, пахнущий, андеграунд, андербоскоп.
Жесть.
Йо, я знаю людей, чьи слова это суть, которые может запульнуть, прямиком на путь. Тут не рискнуть может только тот, кто туп, наряду с теми, кто доверяет одному рту, чьи головы заняты вопросами, огромными дозами, но все равно заносами. С нами не ходить, с нами не ходить. Нет, мы сами не молчим, но не задаем вопрос другим, по большому счету. Мне не важно, кто ты, преследователь моды или мастер занятий, я поеботый приятель. Это отлеты, это говорю я тебе, влиятельные лоды. Изредка с вальвами изверга расстаюсь, словно высморкнув общества дурака, причиняющего моему времени беды. Эй, ты, лады, иди со мной, иди. Ответы, come on, yeah.
Return of the slick, nappy-headed underground rapper. Ain't no soul in they train, now they wanna jump my bandwagon. Mischief making punks, faking funk. I'm still smoking blunts, able to dunk on the comp like Sean Kemp from the Sonics. Make you slam without onyx, so put your thinking caps on. Mr. Styles, put it in the mix, word is born. Now dig my natural mind expansion. Eyes slanted in Japan's and devils in my eyes, not in my brain like Charles Manson. Instead I be enhancing, dancing through these tracks like a stick. Summons every phrase from my absent-minded dictionary to add flair to my raps. Get spring drama to your condiment like Bronson brought to death with simply lubricated tactics. I practice, I in this back track, cause you know that I'm large. Kill them when I bust the feelings is high, man. Now peep the nuts being blessed by me and fine on the knots and all rhyming.
Rhyming. When I'm erected, I'm protected by the knots and all rhyming. The knots and all rhyming. The knots and all. When I'm erected, I'm protected by the knots and all rhyming. The knots and all rhyming. The knots and all.
Flex it, stunt. Right. Flex it, stunt. Flex it, stunt. You have sex out, just contraceptive. You all you pussies.
Fucking people attempt to fuck my fantastic formats only put you in the position of a doormat, then you get trampled for trying to ramble my rhythmic pattern. That just doesn't cut it, so fuck it, my leftovers you can have them. I'm the captain of the ship, master rhyming back in the 8th grade, back when breakdancing wasn't played. Now this black spade is holding all the cards, disregarding any enemies, oppressor or possessor of lesser skills. Lyrically prophylactic, protected type talk causes my adversaries to walk in the opposite direction. My rhyme erection has protection and knocks it off, so all you pussy rappers you getting fucked up. Black sperm must bust a nut in any altercation. It's not some sex shit unless your girl ends up in Texas. Far beyond next shit, so get your pooper scooper. I'm super duper, the name is fine and I'm the knocks and I'm running.
Flex it, stunt. You have sex out, just contraceptive. You all you pussies
like this.
Flex it, stunt. You have sex out, just contraceptive. You all you pussies
like that. Yeah. What's another nut sound?
It's about fitness and hipness, being able to rock the crowd with the quickness. I'm on point when I kick this. Bruce Lee couldn't stand this. My technique slammed his when he tested mantis. Enough tripping when I'm slipping niggas to MCs who come test me and my absent degrees. The diction causes friction of fools and eyes when I mention pieces of my pieces to a listener if he's tuned in. Your far side is zooming, alone bring up a tuning. Don't need the lubrication for the application. Similar to inertia, I mastered the measure of all motions, from the dippers in the sky to the waves in the ocean. So conjunction, let me tell you what's my function. Measure with my poem makes the ripples in your rumps. I got more props than Pele, the leader of the melee. I watch you do the step like the last minute.